Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an MSM private server. First, you'll need to understand what a private server offers, like custom content and enhanced control over your game experience. Next, gather all the essential software, including a reliable server emulator and the correct game files. Finally, confirm your computer meets the minimum system requirements to ensure everything runs smoothly. This preparation is key for a successful setup. Now, let's prepare your environment. Begin by installing a compatible server emulator on your computer. Many options are available, so choose one that suits your system. After installation, extract all the game server files into a clearly designated folder for easy access. Lastly, you'll need to configure your network settings, ensuring that incoming connections can reach your new server. This step is crucial for others to join. With your environment ready, it's time for configuration and launch. Carefully edit the server configuration files to customize game parameters, such as rates and events, to your liking. Then, set up a database to store all player data and game progress, which is vital for persistence. Once configured, simply execute the server launch script to bring your private server online. You're almost ready to play. Finally, let's connect and troubleshoot. You'll need to modify your game client to point to your private server's IP address, allowing you to join. Test the connection thoroughly to ensure stable gameplay and identify any potential issues early on. If you encounter problems, check server logs and network settings for common solutions. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your custom My Singing Monsters experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.